You subscribe yet?
You don't care that come give me. Care that come give me, man. Pass the thing now.
Sir,
I move so like you want to check man for coming now.
yeah. You can sell me 1 pound of chicken back.
Yeah.
And no one some cornmeal.
I don't know, miss. I listen to a lady.
I want 2 black pepper with one sweet pepper with 4 onion. Can you put them in one bag for me, please?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me them in one bag. Put them on here so then if you don't have no bag, put them on here so. I'm on 1 carrot.
Cook big pot though, my friend.
If you know me, you not talk to me.
Just assess still, you know. See a nice lady like you come and shop.
Not like you.
You don't have to like me, but we like me for you 2 away.
And my man say me not to talk to nobody on the road.
But your man not there.
And he will war you.
I go World War I and World War II, you know. If him still living, then World War III can happen.
How me can't talk to me and me not know you?
Come on, see your items here.
No, no touchy, no touchy. Not to you gonna make him fight me when me go home, no touchy, make it stay. I don't want the other rest of something them.
What is your name?
My name Dulcimina.
Dulcimina. You know that is a beautiful name for a beautiful girl.
No, but I like it.
What you mean? If your mother never want me like it, she would give you a name then?
You don't know my mother.
I said she said you come here right now for me like you.
My mother no come from Jamaica, she come from Nigeria.
So no wala we no African descendant.
When you can't talk to me, I not even like you.
See, I get your order them there.
You not have no bag, mate?
No, bag.
I mean, I get everything when I order. I want the sweet pepper too.
So Dulcimina, I couldn't get some of the dinner.
See money here.
Wait.
See money here.
Hold on there. So, hold on, Dulcimina. So, that's all you plan to pay for the whole of them items
That
there?
my man give me if come and shop.
Oh no, Dulce, man. You can't come and shop with $100, man. That's not so the thing go. That cost more than that. But here what? Make you a deal. Give me the number. I'm gonna pay for the things then.
No, I take out the battery out of my phone and I take out the charger. He said me no give no man on the road my number.
Says where you live, baby girl.
No, I mean if you can't tell you.
So which way you walk at daytime?
Let me tell you it cause problem. And if my man come see me and talk to you right now, he will fight you.
But
So me I go now.
Nobody not there here. Just hold on, knock on
Me
your
can't
roll.
stay too long, maybe he come.
Beautiful. I am going to take care of your bill for you because clearly you never come with enough money.
No pay feed for me, no pay feed for me. No. Me prefer me miss me, I go give them back.
No. You cannot. But you can't go home without the food now. There's no more problem that you're going to.
And you go pay feed for me?
I am going to sort it out for
and you don't know me from nowhere?
I don't have to know you. I know you now. Just cool the door.
First you want me know, but now you want pay for sitting for me.
I am just a friend, a concerned citizen, an admirer of a beautiful lady in a spaghetti straps.
I don't like you.
You don't have to like me. As me telling me like me if you two away.
Me can't go now, sir.
I want to see you again, you know. But here what? I will look for you. Don't worry. I'll find where you live.
If you know me, you don't come and feel me gate, cause my man coming like a Doberman and you know, like no man come and feel him gate content up. And go be a woman he may come and feel him gate content up.
I just took a mental picture. I must see you again.
I go tell my man say me meet one
man.
No.
Hold on, Dulcie. You don't have to do all of that. Let this be just our little secret. Yeah, nobody never knows me and you attack.
What do you mean when you say that?
I mean, you remember how thief and robber walk together?
Me are not thief and me are not robber.
But well, we can't
my man say me fit talk to one man and I humble him. No,
you not talk to God.
God different. Me talk to him in a me sleep.
Well,
when me asleep, me talk
me
to him.
I want a God disciple, so you can tell me anything. Yes.
How your name?
Armenian Jesus, man.
Eh? You?
Me name Jesus.
And you sell him out for 30 pieces of silver.
I never so much money me get, but at the story you get wrong. Now watch your face. Hear me I say. I will see you.
Every time me ready to go home to my man, you dey tap me. Where for your woman there?
I'm looking at her right now.
Me?
You want my new woman? Forget about everything else.
You pay for them for me?
I didn't even pay for it.
Oh, can I go tell you if you take back your money? Because
you don't. Hello.
you stress out my brain right now.
I have many more where that came from. Don't worry about it. Consider it a down payment.
I don't understand what down payment mean. At the first, me hear that they were there.
First you hear it? Well, look forward for hearing it many more times.
You don't talk yet?
You're good, man. You can go on. Have a good evening here.
You can go on now?
Yes, you can go on.
Really, in a real life?
Don't tell nobody about the secret.
My man said me not to keep no secret from him.
Alright
so
then.
So I don't know how you come and tell me if you don't tell nobody. Him and somebody.
Try no remember say you come and shop then.
So where me get them here from?
On the roadside. Tell him anything.
We can't tell anybody else like but not my man.
What's your man?
You don't know my man, you know? When my man ready, he call me idiot, you know?
But Jesus. Look here now. I don't want people to feel mentally, physically, and verbally abuse you. You're a beautiful lady, deserve some sweet talk and treatment. Look at your legs, them. Look at your thighs, them thick like a terror bread.
You're idiot. You're idiot.
Your legs, them thick like a terror bread.
You fool. Every time you look for my skin.
You know, see you look nice.
Like somebody you look.
You see you're clean.
Me I come go now because you're tired out my mouth.
Alright, don't see me, you know. I must see you again. Yeah, man. Fine terror bread, man. Dulcimina! Oh, where's she there? By the time I call a lady, I come like a problem star. Dulcimina!
Yes.
Where you there?
I pat them, me did a score up. You can sit down.
I remember you take up your plate and carry it in. Food tastes nice, man. You go on, you can always. And one thing, boy, you always cook good. You know what I mean? Always. Your mother grow a good pan of partner. Some more left, some more food left in that pot. Come on, one more eat in that pot there.
The food when me carry come give you, that alone did left. Cause you eat 2 times out of the pot already. All no, me no get none. And the little biscuit when me in the plan for eat. See there? Me I look for it and you have it. So you don't eat the food and then you go for the biscuit. So me no get nothing for eat. So you eat half the biscuit and left this now and you say me fi take up the plate. So me I go carry go put down. Me no have no more food left in the pot to give you. So
But you know sense
me
then.
hungry.
Because you know I got make me feel what you want me feel like so me feel bad because me eat 2 times. Me ask you for food 2 times and you give me 2 times. What something must do? Feel that way about it? Yo, sometimes I wonder about it's like
But you ask me for more if more did in them would have give.
It's a yes or no situation, you know, simple as that. Make it sound like me heavy under pressure. Hold on, come to think of it. How you pay for your food? Because you see, me know say a joke. Me know you have money around there, you know. You have some money around the way I because enough time you say you buy stuff, you know, buy everything. I save everyone I save.
Every time you send me a shop $1,000 you give me, you can't buy nothing.
But this time, you take $100 and go a shop. And you come back here with more than what me even send if you buy.
Because my brother give me money on the road.
Which brother?
My brother.
Which brother?
Me have my family them, you know, my cousin and my niece them, and so me see one of my brother on the road and he give me money and say me to go buy back suit. But true because me love you, me no buy the back suit. Me take it buy something for cook and carry come give you feed. But you know,
which brother that you talk about?
give me none.
I know the same Rasta one.
In train.
Well,
You man no Rasta again, in train man here.
if you don't tell me that me want to my food, man. I want nobody eating on that food.
I do, but me did that depend on the biscuit and you take it too.
So a biscuit you survive on Miss Biscuit you done. Eh? Here I go. Just give me a little time, alright? I'm just want to relax myself.
You can just make me go and my family them go stay 1 month and then
Month?
come back.
For the what? Where you go do down there? Think about it.
Because I feel like me a starve.
Starve? If you have food, how you fi starve? You cook, you not eat. And not my fault that. Am my fault why you feel like you starve?
And my niece say me must come stay with them little bit because a long time
Your niece
they
are
no see me.
crosses. Your niece are crosses. Me here say your niece linger run and go club. You need to check. You need to tell your brother to check for your niece. Yeah, that you need for the boy you check for your niece. That little girl, feisty enough and him go on like say he would have run away. Give me some time no more and lie down a little bit, relax my eye. So just me call if I just carry the plate. Just carry the plate no more.
You finished that?
Me done. Go on.
So me must get up now.
You must go on and just come for yourself, man.
I want to do with the biscuit you left in my plate.
Send you go a post office.
So people them on post office we take it.
Dulcimina. Go on. No, sir. What could I cause this? Hello? Dave? Yeah, Nico. Yeah, some information for you, know. What do you mean, I don't, what kind of information? A good information, man. You know, some me have all that information on. So just link me up on my spot. You know which part? Yeah, that's so. Hurry up, you know. Because information have time. Don't you never go out and run and forward, yeah?
Yeah.
Stuff did I can't cook again? Eh?
Eh?
Stuff did I can't cook again?
No, you need to say little something when
I mean, I say me can get something up on that shop now. Yeah, so forward.
and tell my brother everything you do to me. Yeah. And me I call you, you don't know my voice.
You see how long you take? Brother, run me up, run come up here now. There are some information for you. You see do seminar today. Do seminar today way. Where that's the man? You see with one bald headed dude. You mean see my do seminar with a bald headed brother? So bald head man shall look? I don't know. But you are still there together? Oh, you mean say me and do seminar still there together? Me send do seminar go a shop. You sure? A shop, me send her come. Well, it look like you send her a shop and she gonna talk to next man. A joke, I mean, a joke. Laugh at me now, man. Laugh with me. Me look like me a joke. Tell laugh at me. Brother, what say? Do it to me, my do it to me with woman, with my woman with man. Brother, I don't know what I'm going to house, but it look like those women already left her because I see all she did. The bald-headed man want her number. She give me a number? Mm-hmm. So where you deficit that? Don't worry about all of that, man. Just know some see it. I see with my two eye them. Well, you is a man who have his assist stuff and attack stuff in your about so. Where you trying to say? You have to believe it because. So you are the man who has tell information to everybody. No man, I make it sound like me an informer, man. Tell me, say it more. They just know certain things in the streets. You know the information in the neighborhood. Yeah. But alright, hear me as still. You sure say a Dulcimina you see do or a small one look like a Dulcimina up at the shop and talk to one bald man, I say. You know me tell you things, me always say the wrong person. Alright. Just take my word for it, man. Just handle your business. Me I'll go up at the shop. Alright, yeah, but see? Mm-hmm. Respect our manners.
No? I'm not alright. I call you to talk to you. I know long I want to talk to you, but every time when I call your phone, in the round me and I can't use the phone. He say me have to make sure say him know who me they call and how long me they talk to him. For if he tell me if I not use the phone, me can't use it and on my phone. Where did buy for me? He say go take it away from me. He gone, that's why I can call you. He tell me say I go to the road. I don't know which part he gone. Yes. He not give me nothing to eat. Every time when I cook and he not give me none, he eat off and not give me none. And then me make the cookie. Yes. And then me have to wash up the plate. Then he not do nothing. More than threaten me and tell me all kind of something and call me all kind of name. And even other day, me dey down the road and me hear my telling his friend them say me a idiot. He put pill in my juice, sleeping pill, for me not sleep. He say he might give me it for me sleep because he don't want you to call me. So when the phone ring on me and sleep, me won't hear. Me want come home back. But me afraid of him. Yes. Me can't come out me can't come out in they tell me saying you if me think me bad go through the gate and he don't know and he see what he do to me. Enough time me dey down here and me no eat nothing. But me can't call you and tell you 'cause I'm afraid. Me a look if him a come 'cause me no want to hear me. We go search my phone and see say you me and call. So when time me hang up the phone, me have to go delete this so. 'Cause me no want to see say me call nobody.
Yo, you know see that one there? You never see her? Clothes and skirt cause she nice, man. Oh gosh, man. So you say you never see her? Yeah, why like glimpse her, man. Me I tell you say she round and why me not tell a lie still. But I mind that one there still, you know.
How you mean, what go on, my general? You good?
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man.
Big up.
Big up.
I mean, you talk about a woman, like, you know, you just find a woman or something.
Boy, I want to tell you, say, nice piece of catty come in that place a while ago.
What you said to me?
What? Spaghetti straps, floral dress, pink and hairstyle, comb one way, so. Legs them thick like a,
What you
brother.
said? Brown skin.
Ooh, chrome.
Chrome. What you said to me?
Nice looking, man.
See, get her number?
You know, say, she say a thing to me, but I don't know how woman stay already, you know, them just play local, giving up local resistance, you know. But me soon get to her, man, because my sister, she,
Or she work it out?
I get to her, man. She play local hard then, but I have the right rope to just twist her up and jar in, you know.
Understand.
Yeah,
Alright,
man.
so, yeah, man, go on the thing and shop me really, far if I go, you know.
Do your thing, my boss, man. But wait, then, so you never see her?
I come from the central.
I don't come from the side there.
Yeah, man, I see her, man.
So,
Yo, give me a dragon, a Spitfire.
yeah. Like you plan for murder something.
Murder, that you call it. Alright, go on, go on mind your own business now, yeah, because if you see I get to, you know what I mean? So how much be dragon? 400. Alright, you know, put it on my bill, let me soon forward, here. Yeah. Just go and do your thing, my boss, you know what I mean? Because you see, sometimes, you know, I like one certain conversation, you know what I mean? Because, yeah, you know, like right now, two-way or certain things, so I mean, I feel comfortable.
Yeah.
You understand? But big up yourself still.
Somebody trouble you.
No, man, everything good, man. Just go and mind your business, you know. But I get to enough.
Like somebody on a mission, so I want him. Like somebody looking you, man.
Don't see me now, I want to talk to you on a serious note. Why your phone is so close to you? You want to talk to somebody on the phone?
Mm-hmm.
So make your phone there, so up to your phone when you're over there, so on the counter around there, so. Man, you tell me lie, you know?
No.
Alright, you are
I
going.
never dey talk to nobody.
Alright, you are going right now. Because you are trying to set me up, you know. You are trying to make me look stupid. You make man a give you money and a buy food and carry come my house come cook.
Mm-mm.
No?
Mm-mm.
How you buy food then?
My brother.
Your brother, which brother? You lie. You start telling me lie now?
My brother give me money.
Your brother give money.
Mm.
Don't see me now stop tell lie. Because the man tell me say him have to pay for all that what you take from the shop. When you see I go in the shop, I wonder if you have sense. I order everything and give him $100. So the man think that joke. But when him look on your face, he realize it's a serious thing. So him say, alright man, he recover it. And you walk off gone.
My brother give me money. If rich man that too. If he pay for something when me hard and me ask him to pay for nothing for me. And most when me gone him pay for 2 times. Because me pay for already when he pay for again. And he never asked me if he can pay for nothing for me. How we
What
talk?
you want him stand up and talk about?
I don't know how we are
So what
talk.
make him so interested to know what you saw?
How we are talk?
And what mean say know me attack? I eavesdrop and me hear man attack and me have to realize say am I woman him talk about? Did you tell the man your name? So how man know your name?
I want to say my name.
What mean say when you say your name? Dulcimina. Now you only blinking Dulcimina while left on the stretcher. Eh?
I don't know everybody name.
Alright, me tell you what I go on now. You see? Me now gonna make you go back down to that supermarket, that corner shop there. That shop there down there, so. Me now gonna make you go back down there because obviously, and that's where you love go shop, so. And when you go shop, it takes so blinking long.
How you will send me?
Me a send you, me must send you go shop. But me fi do everything. Me fi go work and then sit and go shop and cook and all them something there. Is that what you're trying to tell me,
And you will
Dulcimina?
send me and shop and then you say.
What your purpose
If I
down here,
shop,
so? What
me
your
love
purpose? You act like an idiot. Me no want kind of idiot, you know, but you act like an idiot.
You call me so enough time.
Yeah, because you're acting like one. I don't understand when you can. What you doing? I want to you.
Me clothes a drop off for me cause.
So what are you go there in a this a closer and the closer drop off for you?
No, I just.
So your clothes drop off for you there?
No, me not.
So your man can't see.
I wait, me take off cause me not eat nothing.
So me ask you again. Me no business more you wait. Are you a problem that? You go down there in a clothes while drop off. So you are trying to expose yourself.
In the drop off up at the shop. I don't. In my house it.
In your house to drop off. You know, so me gonna start taking things serious. Alright, here me go do. You want to go up your family, not true? Eh? You don't want to go up your blinking family and go stay. Like a son little pit in our house.
No, I want to stay with you.
You want to stay with me? That's smart. You beat from morning?
No.
Go and go bathe.
The water gone and no, you never buy no soap.
Water catch. Go and go bathe.
No have nothing to do.
Go and go bathe and stop acting like you're afraid to bathe. Why would you ever go bathe? You are going to go bathe? So what? I want date you set with the man to go river go bathe?
Water gone.
No water. Me say the water set for you. Me said 2 water. 1 for me, 1 for you. What you do with the water?
No water for me. I water where you use be the left in my bathroom from morning so me fit dash you. I mean never this way.
You use. Go and use it. Listen to me. Me not understand why we want this relationship, you know. Because you make me feel like say me I do you something. Eh? Me I do you something? Me I do you something?
Yeah, do me feeling something.
Feelings? Cut your feelings and put it in front of you and move on with life as your life stay.
Yeah, do me heart something.
Heart? Forget about your heart. We have to do in a reality. Life is a mission. It's a journey we have to take. You decide where you want to go. So you want to part with me, so you work with me. You understand me as a Dulcimina? Eh? Go and go bathe. What you take up your time? Hey, put down the phone there. Put it down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And phone time out. Go go bathe. My mind sell it too. I change password from the blinking. Oh, yeah, okay. Afternoon, DJ.
Afternoon, what's going on now?
Alright, I know my vex, you know.
So I vex you now.
Right, I know, DJ. Your brother half left my sister. Because he abused my sister and my sister refused to accept him and abuse him. And right now, what me a pre say, you think I gonna reach one place where you not reach, you know.
Well, how can an argument here come from me? You know, say argument naked. You need to put on clothes for an argument, brethren. And not come to me with no foolishness about now, my brother. Things are gonna reach. What kind of place you are talking about?
You know, so you're a woman and you should understand exactly what me I talk about. Because I'm a man and he abuse my sister.
In what way? My brother beat your sister, brethren?
You see?
He beat her?
You see what me think?
He kick and box her?
What me think most people misunderstand, you know. And not only beat somebody have to beat somebody if you abuse them, you know. Him a verbally abuse my sister. Some things where I said to my sister. Right now, he come like a prison, my sister there.
So why your sister not leave my brother alone? My brother I want look here man, let me tell you something. Me need you to get this straight in your head. Get this straight in your head. You see my brother? He's my only person me having in my life here. And if I complain, you can come. You see me look like my brother mother? Look here. Let me tell you something. You can't do my brother nothing, you know. Get that straight in your head. You can't do my brother nothing.
He come like some I shouldn't come to you know. Cause he come like me know so me never do get no justice. But me not say nothing, you know. Me not say nothing. But you hear about it.
Hey, wrong move you make.
Everything good, man.
Tell your sister to leave my brother alone. Out hard and bright. Tell your sister to leave my brother alone. You know, sir, you may have come check. You may have come check in my brother. Because me driving on the way home, me feel nervous. I couldn't even drive out back. The one Richie come here.
Richie. That for me woman brother. Yo, boy, I don't know. Them not like me, you know. Them not like me for some reason. I don't know what me do them. Cause every time when me and female woman in a little, you know, me not gonna say altercation because you know, in a certain things I may talk to her, come like she don't want nobody talk to her, you know. And she in a one zone. She gone in a one zone.
Brother, you hear what me I say? When you listen to me. Richie come here, you see? And I complain to me about you.
About me?
Yes, you.
So
the man said you are abused his sister.
No, wrong somebody, I know me. Me can't, no. Abuse as me a thump her and fist her up?
No.
Eh?
Him tell me say you not lick her, but you a curse her. The most derogative words that come out of your mouth and I tell a girl.
Sister.
Oh, you fear do them there something there, brother?
Sister, you know so me is not a man for can calm down me. I'm a Mount Giant Church. You know that already. So it's like me no for say nothing then. When
you
she
Mount
talk
Giant Church?
Somebody for say nothing then.
Brother, you need to put on one brag upon your mouth. You look here, man. Me cuss him, you know, and me handling bad and run him out of my yard, you know. But within myself, me feel bad. Me feel bad in myself, my brother. Let me ask you one question. You don't like one man for your handle me, sir? You don't like to hear say Patrick a cuss and a galang and a go answer with me?
You can't do this, sir.
So how you want to deal with Richie's sister?
No, because when me talk, she can talk to you, know, but she don't want to talk. She just keep quiet. So if me not like something what she do, and she can't say she not like it too, but she not do it. So am my fault?
But you curse her.
No,
and I tell her hurtful words.
The last time she called me idiot, but I threw my mouth louder than fear. I mean, look like she feel like say boy, you know, feel more threatened. But sister, you know how me steer the sister. You feel so gonna make you walk.
Brother. You have to cut out them style you know a long time. Your mother look here man, your mother your mother no grow your son. You ever hear my mother? You ever hear two of my mother? I cuss daddy so talk truth. So where you get them the style from? I company them where you keep. I tell you about company, dirty company lead people astray. You have to stop him, my brother. There's something that not nice. You know have to put your hand on a woman so you abuse them. You know? Verbal abuse. The dirty words that come out of your mouth. Control your mouth, man.
Sis, me understand what I say. I'm gonna try the better.
Control your mouth, man. Not like there's something there.
But what? So where Richie coming from?
Make your bike pass, man. Make your bike pass. You see everything when Richie tell me. I true enough, but I just pretend. Because at the end of the day, me not sell you out for no Mr. Body. Me, your sister looking at my face. Me, nah put nobody over you. And me not gonna tell him say you're wrong. And in face to give him no power, no strength. But me I tell you to your face. You understand you're wrong, man. But you know what I not like when you say? That's why I have to run him out of my yard.
What you say?
He say, nah, go on well with him, you know. He might go give you something if you not stop. And you say before it lead to that.
So threat me then.
I don't know if it was a threat or if it was a warning. But I won't tell me, I tell you. So you say before it lead up to that, brother, you stop, and if you can't stop, leave the girl alone. Leave the girl alone. And you alone may have. And the last time I check, see there, you no iron. And you no steel. You have flesh and blood. And the same blood will run through your vein, and the same blood will run through Richie's vein. You understand? Because you wouldn't love to know, say, one man accuse your sister. So where you go about that now?
Sister, you know, so me this is the way I say earlier. So you have to worry yourself. I'm going to try today to be a better person. But
You go try.
alright, so
You go try.
you come and know how to do it.
What you mean? You better know, you better learn how to do it. But you don't know how to do it. Listen to me, man. You know what I say, we woman, as woman, with strength and with mouth. So sometimes when you hear she attack, do not answer. You know if you answer, you know? You can't sing. Look how you can't sing. Look on the lovely voice you have. You know sing. Sing one song. You can't just sing. Eh? You're my shining star. And she have to laugh.
Alright, sister,
Brother.
I never expect you to beat me so bad today, but I say I'm going to try. Hear sir, because I don't like how I feel inside right
Brother,
now. So
sing
look, come
one
on.
song for me.
I can't sing, I know, I'm too emotional.
Brother, sing one song for me.
Sister, I can't sing, I know, I'm too
I
emotional.
see me one time, a girl, I go on with herself. And me, I tell you, I teach you, you know. So you not learn nothing, you know hear me say.
Me, listen, man.
Sing one song for me, brother.
I can't sing, you know, sister. Later, no, sister, you're my ball, sister.
Sing one song.
Alright, sister, later, here.
You really not sing?
I can't sing, I know, I'm emotional.
It's alright, man. It's okay, me gone.
Yo, Dulce, come on in, I'm not foolishness now. Come out. I'm ready. You know, Tanya, go for your things, them.
Me can't come.
Dulce, me no bother the foolishness, no, man. Me nah go through this with you today, now. Go for your things, man. Come out, yes, man. I'm ready to go.
Suppose him find me will leave and come for me and go, me no want him do me nothing, he go hurt me, because he always a threaten me.
Dulce, me no want to say the same thing, you know. Like what your man is saying, you know. Because me no want to be abusive like him, you know. But right now, me no like how you act. Stop act, so man. Go on for your things and come, man.
I'm afraid.
Afraid of what? I can't do nothing. Go for your things.
Me I go fit and you carry back, that's if me and walk and him a come and see you with it.
Yeah.
Alright.
I tell you. God knows.
Oh, me no want this, and him did buy it for me. I don't want it.
My God, no, me I tell you. Very rough.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky just to
Go, Samina.
running wild. Never
Go.
sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna
Go, Samina.
be two hearts running wild.
God. Do it, Samina.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all
know, like, you look, you know, I hope I'm not slung there, so stress over the people, I know. Take care of yourself, you ease your mind. Fact that you come here so people come scared me, I not ask you to cook, I not ask you to clean house, I not ask you to do nothing. You just need to just rest your mind and get back yourself in a good frame of mind. So make you out there, so look, so.
Come night. I feel sorry for him. Me have to go. I think me have to go back home. You know what I'm saying? I call my phone every time. Sometimes I ignore it, they call them, but the way I call him, I have to answer it. And when I call it, I just feel sorry for him, you know? When I tell me how he love me and why I come out of the house and gone and sit. So I just feel like I want to go on back to him. God knows.
Sis, so I understand. So you feel sorry for me and that is natural. You're in the long time. But at the end of the day, you have to be careful of them cry. Them cry they must real. I miss this when did I get we don't want to say that yeah, my sister still. But I mean probably the other thing is you don't really miss you the person. I just think it's really lovely you would not deal with yourself. So you have to know, you have to know enough. You have to know. And me can't tell you. When I tell you it's a big man thing. Go back to him. You don't really need to forget. If you go back to him, you're done with you. Okay? Go back to the same part, tell me say you don't care for yourself. And I want a situation like this, you have to spend some time loving yourself. And you don't love yourself for all of it.
But
Eh?
I know not let me not love myself because he love me and that's why he call me so much time.
This, listen to me at the me and your brother and sister, and me love you. You understand what I say? Me love you, because if me never love you, me wouldn't contact you that situation.
So you don't think I'm going to go back?
No, sir. No, sir. I don't think I'm one person like that ever change. The behavior when he portray, that's him. Never change. That's what I say, a big woman, I'm not force you and tell you what to do. The decision is yours. You're there, so you're welcome at any time. I'm not treat you no way. I'm not force you to know. Me have food, me have internet, me have cable. Just make yourself comfortable.
But he tell me say I'm going to go in a church and he say he love me and he might tell me he's sorry and he say he want me to come home back.
You don't talk, you know. Because a man going to church that means say then change who they are. But me don't talk, I mean I continue to beat up myself for this and I have enough fear worry about it because me have them, I say me have extend have been invest some money in it. So me have go down I have call and I go check when I have them and say your decision is to stay, it's up to you. So what got
Yeah, man, you know.
why you know say you're right man to deal with certain type of investment, you know, so the company sure you want to go vibe say you have a little idea. You have some hug and some follow me want to kind of expand the business. So I say some the company hold a little reason with you. They give me some insight on that when I can look so the business bigger.
It's a Paul. What?
And some hug.
But say a Rasta, you know.
Yeah, but me not eat it because I'm raising.
Yo, you feel business with that sell. You say the boy Rasta don't sell them hug. Yeah, anyway, serious business that's listen now. You interested in that? Invest some business in them stuff there.
Yeah man, I want to expand the business man.
Oh boy, not sound too bad still. I mean, no say boy. From me I hear your little thing I go on good still, so I just want to expand. So you want a partner?
Yeah,
Well, you know, if it benefit you, you don't have to more and benefit me, you know, you don't know you're going business, you know.
you know where I say still, you know where I say, because you know, we don't really have the money still, so you know. Partner, give me a little time, we think about that partner, but more want to invest, more want to expand the business. But give me a little time to think about the partner business, because when you're bridging and sometimes when you go partner up with somebody where you're bridging and the business not work out, you could fall out, go on. So give me a little time to think about it, man.
Well, me there so, you know, so me there so. Entirely just can't leave me serious on it. But me there, man.
But when you are going, if you show you a little running street, you know. You see, from the last time when you show me what I'm going with my sister, yeah, me kind of take things more serious and just go down the fear. Yeah, man, just go down the fear and make you know, say, yo, you know, go work out. You have to left that man there.
I'm going to tell you, man, let me call you and tell you what I'm going because me definitely, as me say, definitely to say, the woman, boy, she space out. So what she stay now because I tell her say she ain't 200, trust me.
But she look a bit better, you know, man. I just hope say she don't bother go back to him. Okay, so, no, I go already.
So just go for her so and that's it, nothing?
Yeah, I just tell her to pack up her things and already.
Why not put too little on the boy?
No, I never really take it to that level because at the end of the day,
you know, then there's another trouble.
Yeah, and you can't fight fire with fire sometimes. You have to just, you know?
Yeah, man. You know, say, to be honest with you, this abuse thing, man, a dangerous stuff, you know, man. You know, put your hand on a woman in a bar.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah.
Some morning me try to call me. I left so much voice note for you. You really do this to me?
We are call me so much time for. And you take disadvantage of me.
No, I never do that. You change. You're a new man. You go to church. You understand me? I say?
You change.
You change totally. I love you.
I don't believe you say you change, you too lie.
You remember them days when you used to sing for you? And you used to smile for me? You change.
In the chat about you go to church. I don't believe you from me know you never go to church yet. You too lie.
We start because you know, me even go talk to my sister. And my sister tell me say, I need to understand myself. And don't disrespect a woman and make you feel, don't make you feel more less than, you know, that me I feel nervous, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, me I cry.
You know, so when you cry, me go feel sorry for you. That's why you let do it.
I will not cry.
And you don't love me, you're too wicked.
I love you to me.
You love me for choo-choo?
I love you for choo-choo.
Say God no.
God no.
Say it again. Say God no.
God no.
Oh, me love you too.
I want you.
You want me?
I need you.
What do what? Me can't leave my brother yard.
Listen, man, I come for you. I just want to see you. I miss your energy, I miss your space.
You call me back to do the same thing to me again or worse.
No, I don't do that. Because from me see the dress on the ground, I know you're gone, man. You drop on the ground and bar me and knock.
And I didn't want it because you did by give me my brother, so I fit dash it back down and ground to you.
Your brother said that, but me busy with your brother until you say himself, but me just want to know so why.
Not talk nothing about my brother because me will not come nowhere with you.
I'm not talking about me. I say, your brother, my brother too.
And you tell me, say you never like him, no, you chat about my brother or your brother. So you want me to come back.
No, me have to understand life itself.
So you change and go God church and me and you married.
Yes, me am married. I love you. You are my sunshine, my very sunshine. You make me happy.
What's the meaning?
When you hug up me, make my brother come see you.
Don't see me now. You talk about your brother come. Yeah, my
Yeah.
woman, you know.
My brother don't want you in a yard. That me dey talk. He no want you over here because you say him no fi come and feel yard.
I love you.
Out the gate you should have stay and come.
I couldn't imagine to stay out the gate so far from you.
So where you come on me yard for?
See you.
You want me to come back to come live with you for choo?
Because I'm not going to be the monster that I was. It changed.
So where you step on the phone and choo?
Everything through and
And you gonna marry me for choo?
I'm going to afford to marry right now. I'm going to do it the right way.
Oh. So I come here want me come with you now?
Left the bag then I go buy
Me and call my brother and tell him say you come to me, I go go in now.
No man, just when we reach down here, then we just settle. And you call him out together. We call him together, we talk to him. I buy you new clothes and nice stuff. See all them joke towards me again. Come. You are my sunshine, my very sunshine.
Well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
subscribe yet.